So I cannot believe this is still happening in 2023. This is a 2018 error for what all I see, but here you can see they let me run a bunch of ads and said, hey, the terms of services aren't accepted. But down here it says, oh, by clicking publish, your terms and conditions are accepted, right? Well, that doesn't work. The ad's been performing well. What to do? The solution is go to Facebook Ads Lead Gen TOS and choose the page that you're trying to get approved and hit accept. And there we go. Got a few more here. We figured out Lynchburg, that's the one. All right, now let's go here and fall out and reset the update. We'll go here and we'll hit publish. And it looks like we're good. So if you're running into that error and you can't find where, you got to go to this URL and accept the lead ad terms. There you go. Hope this video helped.